Change the cabin air filter. Go into the glove box. There are 4 screws. Phillip heads, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. Take those out. Once the screws are removed, pull out this top shelf. And back here is the housing for your air filter. Hit this tab here, open it up. And there's the filter. Take note of the direction of the arrow. That's the airflow direction. That's pretty dirty. There's the replacement filter, charcoal impregnated for odors. There's the airflow mark. And so here's the process. You have 3 plastic clips, one on top there, one on this side, one on this side. Triple clicks. Slide the shelf back. Reinstall the screws. That's it. Save yourself $50. I need 2 hands. I'll get back when I'm done. Okay, that's it. Put the screws back. Shelf is secure. Ready to put everything back. Good for another 12,000 miles. No, actually, I think this is done like every 36,000 miles. Just look at your manual. I'll tell you. I'm doing this at the 72,000 mile service, but it'll vary from your car. So check your manual for the actual time that it needs to be done. Do it yourself, save yourself a couple bucks. DIY this, baby. Catch you later. Ciao.